We just got dropped off in the middle of the woods. It's about 7 p.m. right now, and we gotta set up a tent, build a fire, and cook some dinner. Alright, so I forgot to record us putting up the tent. I guess I forgot to hit record. So we got the tent up. Now we're just gonna put on the tarp. That's good.
Okay guys, so we got our sleeping arrangements. This is Eli's, this is mine. We both just had 2 foam mats, 2 sleeping pads, then 1 blanket, our sleeping bags, and then another blanket on top, and then our pillows.
Alright, so the tent's all set up. Now let's just make a fire and get cooking. So this is definitely enough for a fire pit, so let's get building. Nice, you got a little stand.
If you guys want a good trick to know to warm up during the winter, is just get a saw and get a log and just start sawing it, and it'll warm you up so fast. I can honestly take this layer off. I'm starting to sweat. There we go. There we go.
Done. Dang. Alright, so a guy I work for actually gave me this right here. It's like a telescopic, I don't know, whatever you want to call this. But basically, you put this down the fire and you blow on it. Oh yeah, it works good. Fire started getting smoky, so that gave me the perfect opportunity to use this. So, if you're watching, Ray, thank you. Alright guys, so starting tomorrow morning around 6 a.m. until 2 p.m. it's supposed to snow pretty hard. And tonight was actually supposed to be a school night, but school got canceled tomorrow. So that's why we came out. We were just kind of hoping for a snow day, and it came. Alright, so I made some potato soup. That's just cooling off a bit. Now we're gonna make some bread. Thank you, Trevor, for making the bread dough.
That's me.
There we go.
There you have it, guys. Bread 1.
So the soup's all done. We're just gonna pour them back in here and just eat them out of the cans. Alright, so we're eating pretty simple tonight. Some potato soup, but as you guys saw, we made Luke's famous warm fresh bread
With honey butter.
and got a little special
we
drink.
treated ourselves.
Cream soda.
Which is actually my favorite.
Trevin's favorite.
Cheers.
Perfect temperature.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Good?
Just put it in there, dude. Just take a bite.
If you guys are into camping like us, you gotta make Luke's bread dough. If Trevin can make it,
Yeah.
I know any of you guys watching this can make it. Mmm. So if you're ever camping in the winter like we are, and there's snow around, it works really well when you're cleaning pots and pans. Look at that.
Looks brand new.
Alright, so we just finished up cleaning all our cooking stuff. Got it all packed up. Trevin got the fire going nice. So we're just gonna get finished up with cutting the wood. Then we're gonna head into the tent.
I'm ready for bed.
Yeah, me too. We're both tired. I mean, it is what? It's 10:26.
We both had school today, so
Yeah. Long day.
long day. No school tomorrow though. It's Christmas break.
Yep. Life is good.
And I don't know if we said why we're doing this yet, but we're doing this because it's gonna snow, so we're just keeping some dry firewood for the morning.
Got everything all packed up in the tent. Now we're just kind of chilling by the fire for a couple minutes. Got some peanut butter crackers and another cream soda. Yeah, we're just kind of chilling for the rest of the night. This is the only one that did that. It's crazy.
You wanna know why I did that?
You shook it.
I showed the camera too. I shook it, pointed at you.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's morning now. Me and Trevin just woke up. As you could tell, there was definitely snow outside. I think it's actually snowing right now, so that's pretty cool. But we'll see how that goes with starting a fire. Alright, so it snowed a lot. Snow has started to fill our fire pit. I think Trevin shoveled it out a little. But let's get a fire going and then we can warm up and cook some breakfast. Alright, so we got a good little fire going, a nice stack of firewood. Now we're just gonna get ready to cook up some breakfast.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, dig in. We got sausage, bread, and honey butter for breakfast, and hot chocolate. Well, if you made it this far, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, Happy Valentine's Day, Happy birthday, whatever. But seriously, guys, Happy Holidays. If you like videos like this, as you can tell, we really only do duo camping. So we're going to post a video in the future about just kind of our roles and how we get everything set up efficiently and effectively. So yeah, stay tuned for that.
If you guys have any video ideas, just leave them down in the comments. I think it's time to get all packed up.
Thanks.
Alright, keep it up. And I'll just hold this down.
Thanks everyone for watching. It's been fun. Stay tuned for our next video and have a happy holidays.